As shown on the screen, I've calculated the sum of values 1 and 2. The formula bar displays the formula I entered in cell B3, which is adding up these two values. I just realized that value 1 is 3 instead of 9, so I change it to 3. But the calculated total is now incorrect, so the formula needs to be corrected. The way in which this formula was built is very inefficient because it has to be updated every time we have different values to calculate. To build formulas that update automatically, use cell locations instead of values. I will illustrate this in cell B5. First, I begin the formula with the equal sign. Then, instead of typing in the value 3, I type in its cell location, which is B1. Next, I type in the plus symbol. Then, instead of typing in the value 5, I type in its cell location, which is B2. Finally, I press the Enter key. As you can see, Excel calculates the formula. Now, I replace value 2 with 8. And you can see the formula gets automatically recalculated. This is because the formula is reading the values in cells B1 and B2 and gets updated anytime these values are changed. Let's look at the formula in the formula bar. We can see that the formula is composed of cell locations. In a formula, cell locations are called cell references. Now, I will demonstrate an easier method to build a formula with cell references. By using this method, I do not need to type in the cell locations. I will do this in cell B6. First, I start the formula with the equal sign. Then, instead of typing in B1, I select the cell B1 with the mouse. As you can see, the cell location gets automatically typed in. Next, I type in the plus symbol. Then, instead of typing in B2, I select the cell B2 with the mouse. Finally, I press the Enter key. As you can see, this method saved me time and prevented me from making errors. Now, I select the cell B6. We can see in the formula bar that its formula is referencing cells B1 and B2. To highlight the cells that this formula is referencing, I double-click the cell B6. As you can see, the borders of the two cells that the formula is referencing are highlighted with the same colors used for each cell reference displayed in cell B6. This is an excellent way to visualize the cells that are part of a formula.